What should you do when your mango tree freezes? Don't panic. The damage has been done at this point. Now you just need to wait. Here are some steps you can follow if your mango tree is damaged from a frost or a freeze that will help it recover the best that it can. Do not trim back the brown leaves at this point. Leave them to help protect the tree from any further freezes that may happen this season. Don't trim back tomorrow either. Let the brown leaves stay on the tree until they fall off on their own. If the tree was covered, be sure to remove the covering when the temperatures get back above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't, you risk more damage due to overheating from the sun. If you have green leaves toward the center of the tree, most likely the tree has survived. If not, don't get worried at this time. Trees can take a while to respond once they have suffered from frost or freeze damage. Wait some more time before trimming. This can be the hardest part. In most areas, if you're growing mango trees outdoors, the growing season starts from April to the 1st of May. By this time, you should be seeing some new growth if the tree is still alive. If you do not see any new growth by then, your tree, unfortunately, is most likely dead and did not make it. It may still grow back from the rootstock, but it will not be the same variety that was grafted originally. If your tree is putting on new growth, wait until the branches turn completely black before cutting them back. Don't be in such a hurry to trim them back. Sometimes the new growth will start near the trunk, then later more will start further out on the branch. You may lose a season of fruit and growth, but your tree will recover. Now here are some lessons we can take from this. Grow your mango trees in containers until they're 2 years old and 4 feet tall. Then you can plant them in the ground in early spring to give them the longest growing season possible before the next winter. When you do put your trees in the ground, be sure to be prepared to protect them from any frosts or freezes. Mangoes are a tropical tree and do not like temperatures below 40 degrees. They can be protected to a point, but they are always at risk if grown in subtropical areas. And if all else fails, you can always get a new mango tree here at Top Tropicals.